The sun's magnetic field is flipping right now alongside some of the most intense solar activity. Here's how. So the sun is made of plasma, a superheated mix of charged particles. When the charged particles move, they generate magnetic fields, which in turn affects how the plasma moves. So it's essentially a constant feedback loop called the solar dynamo. But it's important to know that the sun doesn't rotate as a solid body like Earth. Because it's made of plasma, internal forces cause the equator to spin faster than the poles. That is called differential rotation. And over time, that difference winds up the magnetic field lines like rubber bands, twisting them up until they break through the surface as sunspots. These are regions that have such intense magnetic fields that they act as barriers, suppressing the heat from below, making them appear darker. At solar minimum, the field is simple and concentrated at the poles, with barely any sunspots. But at solar maximum, it becomes tangled and disorderly. So field lines would snap, reconnect, and explosively release energy that drives flares and coronal mass ejections. And also during solar maximum, there's so much opposite polarity flux that has accumulated at the poles that the existing polar field is neutralized, and over time, the opposite polarity takes over. Right now, we've passed the peak of solar maximum. When the flip completes, the field lines will start winding up again and building up to the next round of intense solar activity.